What is good, Quiet fam? As you guys see, we have a 1,000 horsepower Hellcat red eye right here. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get a cold start on this loud car. So obnoxious. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, without further ado, I'll catch you guys upstairs. All right, boys, we're about to hop on the highway right now. Hold on, let me turn my brightness up. There we go. Okay, I think we are in, what are we in right now? Drive modes. Okay, so we are in a 1,000 horsepower mode right now. We're gonna go ahead and switch it over to 500 horsepower mode. So that way we are better on gas, and also you guys should be able to hear the whine a little bit more. That's just like my little hypothesis. So let's see if I'm correct about that. Hold on. There we go. Because at 500 horsepower mode, I think it deactivates some of my cylinders. So it's a V8, so I think it deactivates 4 of my cylinders. So that way it's not like as powerful when I floor it. So that way you guys can hear the supercharger a little bit better. That's just my little observation. No, you're not getting in front of me, buddy. Get out of here. All right, let's see. Hold on. I can hear it a little bit better because my exhaust is so loud. It just overrides the supercharger whine. Porsche dealership right there. There we go. Hear it a little bit better. It's so hot. And you guys let me know, where are you guys watching from? You guys watching from California, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Texas, Houston, Miami, Florida, New York, Europe, Brazil, Russia? Let me know where you guys are watching from. Put it in the comments. There we go. Get out the way, bro. Move. Up the window. All right, let's see if it's better now. Yep, way better. Boom. Sounds good. Oh, yes, sir. Sorry, all right, my bad. I'm gonna be quiet now, okay? Sorry. And you guys be on the lookout for me. Make sure there's no cops. If you see a cop, put it in the chat and say cop, cop, cop. This is not a cop. plane flying above us. I can't see what it is. It looks like a triple, or it looks like a 787. A 787. What airline? I could not tell you. I can't see that far. Or it might be a 777-300ER. I don't know. It's one of the two. I can't see what airline it is. It's too far away. Bro, shut your mouth. Bag work right there. Get out the bro. Who goes in the fast lane and proceeds to go like 2 miles per hour? Get out the way. Oh my gosh, move, bruh. Holy, get out the way. All right, my exit's coming up. Just get out the way and move. Just please get out the way. What are you doing? Look around this dude. What is he doing? Bro's driving like where the nails are at. Is he drunk? Like, what are you doing, bro? Bro, it's not good. Bro's driving on the side of the freaking road. I've never seen a UPS truck or a USPS truck look like that. What the heck is that? It's gnarly, man. How do I even set the alarm? I'm not even doing anything. My car is in like quiet mode. What the heck was that noise? What the freak was that? It's like an owl. All right, but yeah, if you guys want to know how do I afford this car, I have a clothing brand which is called Grail Locker. I've been running that for the past 4 years now. There we go. Chat, spam it, spam it, spam it. Cop, cop, cop. Yep, right there. Ew, the air stinks in this area. Shut your mouth. Oh, it's like burning my lungs, dude. Ew, it stinks. I'm not gonna lie, guys, the windows are going back up. It smells like straight just like smog and smoke. Oh, it's fucking, oh my gosh. Because I'm like already like on the edge of being sick right now, and this air is like not making it better for me. It's making my throat like, oh my gosh. Bro, LA is terrible air quality, dude. I'm gonna go to Malibu today, so that way I can enjoy some nice air, some nice ocean air. Hey, do you have a license to be driving that bike in the middle of the road? I'm pretty sure the answer is no. Yeah, if you guys don't know where we're at right now, we're kind of like in the ghetto. We're in Inglewood right now, so this is not the best of the best areas. Oh look, the plane's flying over me. Oh, that's FedEx. I can see it. I don't know. I kind of like this mode better. It's like more chill, and that way you guys can hear the whine a little bit better too, versus me being in like regular 1,000 horsepower mode, where the whole time all you do is hear exhaust. And yes, guys, I will stop talking so much so that way you guys can hear the car and not me so much. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe on the video if you guys are enjoying this. Holy moly, dude, relax. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe on the video if you guys are enjoying this content. so that way I can keep pumping out more POV drives for you guys. Also, I will be flying to Dubai on Sunday, so also the company I'm going with, they will be giving me like an M3 or M4, so expect some POV drives in Dubai. And also they are giving me a SF90 for the day, a Ferrari SF90, so that will be pretty cool. We can do a POV drive with that car as well, so make sure you guys just go crazy, so that way I can keep spamming more videos and keep going crazy for you guys. Yeah. All right, bro, come on, turn green, let's go. Oh, look at that donut, holy. You guys want some donuts? Oh, my throat, I feel sick. So I talked to the guy at my front desk of my building, and he said go get a whole bunch of fruits and just eat a whole bunch of fruits and I should be good. And he's low-key right. Every time I get sick, I eat a lot of fruit, and then like within like 6 hours a day I feel good again, because fruits have a lot of vitamins, just like everything you need basically to be an outstanding human being. So I think after I get finish with my hair appointment right now, I'm gonna go to like Trader Joe's or something. Oh guys, look at SF90, bro, Ferrari, look at that. Oh my gosh, a Ferrari. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the store and just get a whole bunch of fruits, so that way I can start feeling better before I go on my trip to Dubai, because I don't want to be sick on the plane. I had to create content. You guys want like a POV what the heck? What happened to the Tesla? Holy moly, why is there a boat in the middle of the road? What the? Yeah, you guys let me know if you guys want to an airplane POV drive, me driving the plane, or flying. Oh my gosh, me flying the plane. I will be flying on an Airbus A380, the biggest passenger plane in the world. Super excited for that. And also I'm flying on business class too. The tickets were like $10,000, so I'm really hyped for that. I know it might not sound like it because I'm a little bit, bro, go, get out the way, move, 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 because I'm a little bit sick, but trust me guys, I am very, very excited for this trip. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, we are almost there. Let's go. We are currently what, 6 minutes away? Oh yeah, look at that. But yeah, for you guys who do not know LA, this is like Inglewood. This is like not the place to be, but I'm not going to like anywhere ghetto. I'm just going to like it's like near the Inglewood Stadium, so that area, that little like square is like, it's okay. But like anywhere else in Inglewood, no bueno. Do not go, do not recommend at all if you care about your life and your safety. That's Quiet SRT Tour Guides. And if you guys don't know too, the main owner of this channel is Callie the Kid. That is me. I am Callie the Kid, okay? And I own this car. So don't think I'm just Quiet SRT. No, Quiet SRT is just like my car channel, but my main channel is Callie the Kid, which I have 100K subs on Callie the Kid, but on my main like Instagram and stuff like that, I have how much, like 600K I believe, 400K on Instagram, and then 600K on TikTok. So yeah, that's like my main like channel, Callie the Kid. And then this is like my car page, which I just do car content on, POV drives, you know, car reviews, stuff like that. So ooh. Why is there traffic? Just go, please. The light is green, go. I'm getting over. I'm getting over one more time. See how this is like the nicer area of Inglewood, I guess you could say. Got the little palm trees right there. Got the nice little paved driveways. It's still Inglewood, but it's a little bit nicer versus like where we were just at like 10 minutes ago. A little bit. It's still Inglewood, but it's a little bit nicer, I might say myself. It's a nice gas station, looks like. Yeah, this is a really nice, like, you know, industrial area or retail area, if you want to call it that. Why is there traffic at 10 in the morning? That's what I hate about like just California as a whole. Everywhere you want to go, traffic. It does not matter what time you leave the house, there's gonna be traffic. If you leave at like 4 a.m. oh bro, Oh my gosh, bro, what are you doing? But if you want to leave the house at 4 a.m., there's going to be, of course, there's not going to be traffic everywhere, but in certain parts, there will be traffic. That's why, like, mainly when I leave the house, it's at nighttime. Holy, look at that. Look at that. Oh, we're going. No, it's a speed camera. Oh my gosh. Nah, we're good. Nah, all right, we're good. I mean, it's a red light camera. We're good. All right, I'm not doing this one right here. It's outrageous. But yeah, there's always traffic 24/7, except for like nighttime and even like early in the morning. Keep in mind, hey, I'm gonna leave the house at 6 a.m. Guess what? So are the other like 5 million people going to work too. So I don't know. It's like there's always traffic and it's so annoying. That's why I'm just gonna move to like Colorado. No, I'm joking. I'm not doing that. I'm probably gonna end up living in LA for like my whole entire. Well, I'm gonna have like multiple estates, but I'm gonna just have like LA be like my primary residence, I guess you could say. I'll have like a little apartment or a house in Europe somewhere, maybe in the Middle East, wherever I decide, but definitely I want to make LA my home base. Probably like Malibu or something like that. Malibu is super duper nice, so chill. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this POV drive. I'm gonna do one more pool for you guys because I don't want to expose where I'm going exactly to the dot. So let's do it. Alright, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Love you, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.